Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this page. Now, I'm really excited today because I'm bringing to you a software called Audello. Now, this is a product that's created by a friend of mine that lives in New Zealand, Josh Bartlett, and it is incredible. You can see on my screen right now, this is actually a podcast that I created using Audello. Yes, I'm getting into podcasting, and you can actually listen to this podcast. I've got a link on the page. Now, this was all created through Audello, and you're going to have the ability to do the same thing with this software. Let me show you how it works. This is the Audello dashboard. Now, I also downloaded the Audello plugin. Anytime I want to record some audio, I can just click record, and it'll actually record what I'm saying as a podcast. So we can actually create podcasts directly from our desktop. We can then edit them, we can upload them, delete them, do what we want with them, and it all goes into this really good looking and clean professional dashboard. We can also create new podcasts from here. We can import podcasts. If you have a current podcast, you can use that. And even cooler, you can actually customize the look and feel of your podcasts. You can see right here that I have a couple of recordings. If we go to uncategorize, these are a couple of example recordings. We can actually choose to customize our different updates. We can add lead captures, we can add different designs to our podcasts, and there's just a lot that you can do with the software. Now, why do we use podcasts for our marketing? Podcasts are a perfect way to get the word out about your business or what it is you're trying to sell. If you're looking to generate leads, this is one of the best traffic generation methods and the most unknown traffic generation methods that is out there right now. If you're looking to make a real impact with your audience, whether it's in the fitness market, the online marketing niche, this is the perfect software to allow you to do that. The more that you podcast, the more that it's going to be ranked in Google, the more you can get it out there, the more people that will subscribe and download it on their iPhone, and the more followers you'll begin to get. Also, it's a great way to build authority in your audience. So I'm going to pass this on to Josh in just a second. He's going to explain exactly how the software works, what it does, and why it's so powerful. But what I wanted to share with you now is that we've organized a really cool bonus and early bird special for this page. You can get all the details of all the bonuses down below. This is one of my biggest bonus pages that I've ever compiled, one of the biggest bonus packages I've ever compiled, because I love this software so much. This is going to make it so easy to generate traffic, and the success stories that Josh has already using this software is just incredible. So I highly recommend checking this out. This is Sam Backer, and take it away, Josh.
Now, as we covered in some of the videos, content marketing is the best type of marketing for you to engage your audience and get them to know, like, and trust you. Simply put, the more often you give valuable content and put it in front of your audience, the more likely they are to buy from you. And this is a great thing because it means you don't have to go out and market at people. You can give away great stuff, help people, and at the same time, you're gonna make more money as well. So we've already covered that. And as we also covered in the videos that you've seen so far, audio is literally the easiest type of content to create. So whether it's starting a podcast and getting in front of this huge audience and taking advantage of that opportunity, or whether it's making more audio content, doing interviews and turning them into content that you can share with your subscribers and your customers, audio clearly represents something that you should be doing in your business and something that absolutely can get you in front of a bigger audience and engage your audience better. And as Steve Jobs once said, the most precious resource we have is time. And when you're making the easiest type of content to create, you are being smart with your time. So let's go over to the presentation now, and I hope you enjoy it. The dashboard lets you set up new podcasts and automatically distributes them to the podcast networks and their millions of users in minutes with just a few clicks and no technical hassle. This gives you a direct and easy route to the mass user base of these distribution networks for the first time. You can even queue up content to be published automatically on a scheduled date in the future, putting your podcast distribution on autopilot. And if you already have a podcast, you can import it into Audello simply at the touch of a button. This gives you more power for your podcast than you've ever had before. After your podcast is set up, Audello immediately starts tracking your content with our industry-leading advanced analytics. No other product or service gives you as much detail in one place, breaking down audience engagement, interactions, audio heat maps, geographical data, and traffic sources. This means as you grow your audience, it gives you a full picture of exactly what they are doing, when they're engaged, and where they come from. This can dramatically improve your results. Our powerful desktop app for Mac or PC lets you record, upload, and publish new content with a few clicks. It also automatically integrates with Skype to easily record interviews and calls. Using our drag and drop audio player creator, you can customize audio players and playlists with viral features, social sharing, and more in seconds. We also have a powerful page creator that allows you to select from our pre-made templates and then add in buy buttons, text, images, opt-in forms, or viral commenting without having to touch a line of code. Our timed event creator allows you to add engaging call to actions such as opt-in forms, buy buttons, and viral gateways at specific times that you decide during your audio to persuade listeners to take action and captivate your audience. These features let you easily create entire audio products and pages that help you further engage your audience, spread your message, and generate subscribers and revenue with minimal time spent creating content. And on top of all this, you can split test anything you do to see exactly what's working best using our built-in A/B split testing. And with our iPhone app and Android to come, you can record and publish audio, interviews, and podcast episodes right from your device while you're out and about, wherever you are, whenever the opportunity arises.